Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your YouTube feed, only to be bombarded with shorts after shorts? Well, fear not, because today, I'm going to show you how to remove YouTube Shorts from your feed and take back control of your YouTube experience. First things first, let me explain why you might want to remove YouTube Shorts. Now, for some, short-form content is great for a quick entertainment fix. But for others, like myself, it can be a major distraction and a drain on productivity. So, if you're in the latter camp and you're ready to reclaim your YouTube experience, stick around because I've got just the solution for you. First, go to search bar and type uBlock extension. The magic tool we're going to use for this task is called uBlock Origin. If you're not already familiar with it, uBlock Origin is a fantastic browser extension that allows you to block unwanted content across the web. Alright, let's dive into the process. First, make sure you have uBlock Origin installed on your browser. Then click Always Show on Chrome. Once that's sorted, click on the uBlock Origin icon. First click on your extension. And then go to your browser toolbar and select Settings. Now, here's where things get interesting. We're going to add a custom filter to uBlock Origin that will specifically target and hide YouTube Shorts from your feed. Don't worry, I've made it super easy for you. Head over to my code. And we'll paste the link in the description. You can easily use it. Where I've provided a step-by-step guide along with the necessary filter code. Once you've copied the filter code from my sheet, simply paste it into the My Filters section of uBlock Origin settings and hit Apply Changes. That's it. Now, when you revisit YouTube, you'll notice that those pesky shorts are nowhere to be found in your feed. It's like they never existed. But hey, if for some reason you can't access my sheet or code, don't worry. You can also find the filter code on GitHub or Let's Block It. I've provided all the necessary links in the description below for your convenience. Click on list.txt, then go to the raw. Then copy the code. And simply paste it in uBlock Origin. And hit Apply Changes. And there you have it, folks. With just a few simple steps, you can kiss those YouTube Shorts goodbye and enjoy a distraction-free YouTube experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.